Okay, so today, kind of a quick one here, where it's about 15 minutes, just working on the post drop section, kind of coming out of it. We changed a few things. I'm making it actually have the chord progression keep going in this section, so I'll just play it through here, through kind of the final drop, and yeah, you can hear it. And that's all we got done today. You'll notice if you've been paying attention and following along that lead is very different than what we had previously. I was messing around looking at sounds. I think I was looking for pads, and I found this sound, The Menace, in the eDNA, and I kind of liked it, so I just put the shaper box that we had on the strings up here. I remember originally it sounded like this. Well, down an octave here. Down 2 octaves. I maybe like that better. But right now I'm just kind of messing around with just what does this sound like? Which it sounds like this originally then, with the shaper box. It's kind of cool. I'm still not like in love with it. I like the melody, I like the music, but we'll keep messing around with it. Yeah, that was just a sound I found and kind of moved that around. The big change obviously is having the chords actually going somewhere instead of just sitting still. I definitely need a pad under this still, but we'll get there. And so yeah, we have the chords of the original idea that's tapped into the very beginning of the piece. This. We're doing that same thing over here. I really should put a compressor on that bass and kind of like rein it in a little bit. Its transients are a little bit aggressive. I like that it has a different shape, the articulation, but I don't want it to pop up so high. But also then we got this clap echo and this heavy machine impact to help us really transition out of there. We'll probably add a few other things here on this transition. But yeah, so some sounds, chord progression, and then I'm still messing around. Well, I spent a decent amount of time today just messing around with the bass drum, trying to figure out what I like. Right now I'm just kind of like turning off this little... See, but now, I don't know, now listen to it again, I kind of like it with that little edge, so I don't know, I just don't like this kick drum situation at all, and I probably just need to go find a good kick drum sample I can use. But yep, that's all we got done today. Worked on the breakdown section, the slow down, the cool down section after the drop, a little bit before RLCS. So yep, that's all we got done for today. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.